the reason I bought them is everybody says, yeah, it's not that they feel flimsy or anything, but it's still plastic. I mean, ultimately.
Yeah, I mean.
The nice thing though is they don't weigh much. Like I said, those wheels weigh nothing. They're like featherweight.
Right. Well, hopefully that works out for you until like the second heat or something.
Josh, I can't wait to whoop your ass at this thing. We need to do a side bet here.
Yeah, I know.
Some type of side bet.
Let's document it right here.
One of us will be hanging our heads.
Yes.
We'll come up with our wager in early March. And,
it's a good idea.
We'll fulfill the wager late March.
Yeah, on air, somebody will have to admit to something silly or.
It's a good idea. I'll think of that. And,
I've got an idea. Either you have to submit some sort of formal apology letter on this in your late column.
That's written by Josh.
Yeah. Or I will post a personal video succeeding to you.
I like that. I like that bet. That's great.
To make it interesting, though, the letter has to be written by the person who won. So.
Yes. A nice family-friendly message written by the other person and published on either person's forum.
I love this idea. Let's do it. Keep it family, like you're saying. Keep it family friendly. Something that can be printed, actually.
Public humiliation.
Or shown, but yeah, I like it. Give a paragraph or two. One guy gets a paragraph or two, and the other guy format.
Ready? Yeah. Ready? Go. Too much. Go. Yeah, it's a big gear. That's smart. Yeah. They hook Howard. Oh yeah. I think you heard a great showdown this year and we just get this up. There you go. Oh! Digging this? Say that. Ready, Doug? Go. Start. Good run here so far. Ah! face. Yeah. So, give us something to talk about, Josh. Yeah.